How to use Robinhood for productivity. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can use Robinhood for productivity. Robinhood can be used to enhance productivity through its features like commission-free trading, fractional shares, and tools for automated investing. By leveraging these features, users can invest effectively, build wealth, and potentially improve their financial literacy as well. So you'll get commission-free trading. Robinhood eliminates commission fees, allowing users to invest more frequently and potentially maximize returns as well. Similarly, you'll get easy account setup. Robinhood offers a streamlined account opening process, allowing users to start investing quickly. The app is designed for ease of use, making it easier for both beginners and experienced investors to navigate. You'll also get users You'll also be able to set up automatic recurring investments. It also allows users to automatically reinvest dividends, potentially accelerating portfolio growth. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.